I used to invest, but with no information.
I had absolutely no knowledge, having nothing of finance.
There was a lot of chaos in financial terms. I was in a couple of debt.
मैं स्ट्रेस था और कहते हैं ना एक मोटिवेशन की भी कमी थी.
Base gave me a lot of tools which helped me organize my family finances in a much better way.
So it's a big eye-opener. What this class is teaching us is basically how to systematically come up with a plan based on your life goals.
You were taught about the basics of the stock market, equities, investing, whether it was like anything related to the investing, a 360-degree program where you can actually learn that what is investing all about.
Sir has taught us really nice way of generating a passive income and which also generates a good return.
जो एक कंसेप्ट है सर का एक अपनी एक वेल्थ एक्यूमुलेशन को लेके या एक एटलीस्ट स्ट्रेटजी जो बताते हैं कि आपकी जो भी आपके पास कैपिटल है वेल्थ है उसको आप कैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं और उसकी जो उनकी स्ट्रेटजी है और जो उनके फंडामेंटल्स हैं वो तो मतलब वो वैलिड है.
You know, I can invest on my own. Nowhere I had that kind of confidence.
Been able to clear up all my debts. I clearly know my net worth. I clearly can articulate in which asset class I need to invest in. So all that clarity was not there before. My wife and my children, they are partner to this whole process. I think financial conversations are considered a taboo in the family. So those are the things which are part of the base program structure. And what is tacit knowledge should become explicit knowledge. And that is what this program will force you to do.
I have everything in front of me in a single sheet now, which was previously not there. I had to run around everywhere to get data with me, what money is where, what is where. I didn't know that. Now I know that very well. So I know that where I can be in next 10 years is much more different.
It is a tool. You can buy a Ferrari also from this.
The journey from financial uncertainty to thriving passive income. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the mindset, strategies that lead to sustainable wealth.
Foremost enthusiasm, his passion for helping others to learn what he's learned. I think that is commendable, right? That's how not everybody does that. So I think passing it down, I obviously will learn whatever I can and I will pass on my information to others like my children.
अंशु जी के समझाने का तरीका इतना अच्छा है, इतना इजी है कि मुझे लगा कि हाँ ये कर सकते हैं, इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है.
So I think it's not just about the returns, but it's also about the trust. So I have developed a trust in the coach.
तो कोच जो है ना वो नर्सरी से लेकर 12th तक के बच्चों को टैकल कर सकते हैं. उनके अंदर इतने पेशेंस है, इतने ज़्यादा वो काम है.
Thanks for hand-holding Anshul sir. We didn't realize how much we were learning on everyday basis.
एक इतना एक सपोर्ट मिलता है जैसे एक आपका एक फैमिली होता है कि एक फैमिली जैसे आपके लिए हमेशा खड़ी रहती है, एक यूनिटी रहती है, वो इतना स्ट्रांग है और उसकी जो वाइब्स हैं वो इतनी पॉजिटिव हैं कि आपको कभी भी ये नहीं लगता कि आपको कोई डर है. तो वो फियर आपका खत्म हो रहा है कि भाई ठीक है कोई ना कोई सपोर्ट के लिए हमेशा खड़ा हुआ है.
Due to my work, I cannot see the stock market every time, but just WhatsApp message helps me to invest and.
I also want to say thank you to the whole community because you guys have been so helpful. All the seniors, all your batchmates, all my batchmates. This has been amazing.
जब पहले अपने पैसे को मैनेज करते थे हमें डर लगता था कि कल को कुछ हो सकता है हमारे पैसे को. आज हमारा वो डर दूर हो गया. हमें पता है जितना भी बड़ा पैसा हो हम उसको बिल्कुल बिना डरे बहुत इजीली मैनेज कर सकते हैं और उसको डे बाय डे ग्रो कर सकते हैं.
When I realized the value which has been achieved because of this, के अंदर हम लोग सारा पूरा परिवार अब इन्वॉल्व हो गया है. अब सारे बैठ के एक दूसरे की बातें बहुत ध्यान से सुनते हैं और एक दूसरे की जो एडवाइस होती है उसको महसूस भी करते हैं.
Inside of you changes dramatically. That change in personality starts reflecting everywhere.